My name is Fadoua Boualem and I work for Inova Health Systems in Northern Virginia. My users were having kind of issues with diagrams. We are using another vendor's app, and they were not getting the features that they were looking for. That's when I started looking around. I tried Lucidchart, I tried Glyphy, and then the decision was made to use draw.io because it has most of the features that I'm looking for. Their diagrams, they look like more, we are in the research field, and with the draw.io, it's providing really what they are looking for. Then I did put it in our staging environment, and they tested, and now we are ready to launch it in production.